Welcome back, guys, to Mama Joan house where it's at. I don't know what I mean when I say my house at it at like a Scotch bonnet pepper. Anyway, guys, today, guys, we decided to I'm gonna do a run a little video. So, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take a cyan to take some nice, sexy, juicy, skimpy picture of with me for show to our granddad, guys, and this video is for see our reaction, you understand? Anyway, guys, it's a long time I'm not doing a video because, you know, I have a little personal problem with my son. Everything up on a little good scale now, so we can jump right back into it and make you guys have some fun with this crazy woman here. So anyway, guys, stay tuned, okay? Cyan! Cyan! Come here, honey. I need you to do me a favor.
A favor?
Yeah. Can you come here?
What kind of favor?
Okay.
Wash the dishes?
No, not wash the dishes. Just sit down a little bit. Let me tell you now. You can't. You have to sit down. Okay. What I want you to do for me is this. You know, say, me and your granddad, we've been together for such a long time. So, in birthday, I come up and I want to make a special album for him. So, we need you to take some pictures for me to put in the album.
Some pictures of him?
No, some pictures of me. Put in the album. We make it for him for his birthday.
So you want some pictures of you
Yes.
for his album?
Yes, I'm gonna make film for his birthday.
Okay.
Okay.
March, April, his birthday's in May.
Yes, yeah, and birthday.
So you're gonna take pictures for 2 months straight? Or you're gonna get some pictures, some other pictures as well that you already have? Put in
I'm
the
making
album.
I'm making a photo album.
Okay.
Okay.
So you want, okay.
So here.
You're gonna take them now?
Yes, more for do it now. So we want me to wait when it you know me take long to do stuff. So we can't wait till time. We just want to just get on top of it and just start it out and do it from now.
You want to take your photos right now?
Yes.
How many are you gonna take now?
About 6, 7, run about that.
And then you want to find other photos to put in there?
Yes, because I make an album.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so here, we take it with my
Make
camera.
it fast.
I mean make it fast.
I'm busy. Make it fast.
Okay, so this is what we need for do. We need the picture them to be very spacious, you know, lively, some lively pictures, some nice pictures.
Okay.
You know, and you know you young people not always do something. I ask you for a couple ideas too, where these pictures is concerned. Okay?
Okay.
So the first picture I want you to take is this. Me I go do my pose and you take a picture. Alright?
Hold on
Oh,
a
this
second.
look.
Grandma.
Oh, this look. Just take a picture now. We can't wait. Nobody wait to. Oh, this
Grandma.
look.
Okay, I have the photo.
Yes.
What is this?
You said me I make an
Why are you
album.
putting your foot in the camera like that?
I not put my foot in the camera. That's how I want the picture to be. You know, like.
Why are you doing that like that? Surprise party? You dropped on the couch?
No, we don't drop on the couch. It's just the pose.
Okay.
I mean, just take the picture.
Okay.
And not give me no issues. Okay, you know.
Okay, so
Okay, so that is one. And then we need the next one now is okay. This one. Do this one.
what the
My girl, if you take a picture, take a picture. I'm making a nice album, and that's what
What are
we
you
want.
doing?
Can you just do the picture?
So what is this one? What is this one? What is this?
This is just cleavage.
Cleavage?
Yes.
Okay, Grandma.
Okay, so that is a good one. You know your granddad love it. Your granddad love it.
Okay.
Okay, and then okay. So the next one when we need you for take. This
How
one
many
is.
are you gonna take in the same outfit?
We don't need for change no outfit. We just need for position for
Okay.
stay as it is. This is okay. First of all, it's a position thing.
Okay, it's
Okay.
a position thing.
Yes. So don't worry about the outfit. The outfit is just fine.
Okay.
Okay. So this one now is more like a, it's like a doggy style. You No, you're gonna drop it like
doggy style.
you're gonna drop it like it's hot. This is one. Then I'm supposed to gonna love this one. This one is a drop it
You're
like that.
you're getting me to my breaking point.
What?
Yeah, I already did cleavage. I already did whatever.
Yes. So this
surprise. I don't.
So this is.
You're gonna have to set. No, I'm gonna set the tripod up for you, and you're gonna take your doggy
No,
style
we don't
photos.
want a tripod.
I'm not doing this.
The tripod not gonna work because
If
tripod.
you're gonna put me through this,
Sam,
I need money.
The tripod can't
Put
take a
your
picture.
money
in
where your
front
mouth
of
is.
it. Just take a picture.
Grandma,
Waiting,
no.
waiting.
No!
Oh,
I'm gonna show you what you
That's
look
it.
like right now. Oh my god.
I like this one. This not good.
Take it.
Where are you doing that? Sam, why are you doing that? Just do the
This
picture
is
for
what
me
you
now.
guys be doing? That's what
No,
you be
just
doing.
take it.
That's what you be doing.
I'm making an album for him, Sam. Just take a picture. Hold this.
I'm not taking no more photos for you. You're doing dirty gal thing on the floor
It's
right
not-
now.
Can you please take a picture?
I'm not taking no
Listen,
photo for you.
his
You're gonna have
birthday,
to.
Sam, his birthday is coming up. He might get older, but at the same time, we can't
You're
make
gonna
it.
have to
Sam,
hire
Sam,
professional
we can't.
photographers.
Listen, we can't make the man feel like him whole. You understand me?
It's not
Plus
about
me
him.
again.
It's
Plus
what about me? What about how I feel?
use it. You can show me a pose. Show
I'm
me
not
another
showing
pose.
you no. I'm not showing you no pose. You're hopping down on all fours.
Okay, just take a couple more. Just a couple
Can
more.
you take a regular? Can you take some regular photos, please? I will take you 3 more regular
Okay.
photos. That's it.
3 more regular photos?
3 more regulars.
Okay. Alright. Okay. 3 more. Okay, what is this one?
Grandma.
Okay, that's it. Okay. So that one, okay?
Now, why are you lying out your tongue like that?
Girlfriend,
Why are you lying?
listen.
I never knew you were freaky like this, you know?
I'm not.
I never knew you were
It's your
freaky like this.
grandfather's birthday. Me?
Okay.
I'm still in my pride.
Alright, show me what you got.
Okay, so that is good. So the next one is this. Headshot.
Headshot?
Mm-hmm.
What the frick? What? Grandma, those are the poses that you guys do at night together in the room?
Hold that. Just take a picture.
Okay, that's all. That's all you got. That's
Okay.
all you got.
I
That's
need
all you got. That's all you
One
got.
more.
That's all you got. I'm sorry. I tried to sit here. I tried to take the photos for you. That was the last one.
Can you please just
Honestly,
do this
after
something
you
for
got
me?
down on all fours, that was it for me. I can't do it no more. Please.
We have one more.
Last one.
One more. Last one. Do this one for me. Do this one for me.
What? No. Now you're traumatizing me right now.
Oh, my
You're
traumatizing.
traumatizing me right now.
My girl. Oh, my
Please,
traumatizing.
where's my money? Because where's my money? Where's my money? Because I'm traumatized and I need to get paid for this.
One more.
No, I'm not doing no more.
The
I'm not
last
doing
one.
no more. I'm not doing no more.
I need it, Sad. I really need to
I'm
see your
gonna
grandfather.
need you to set me up for therapy after that.
Okay. Don't worry about that. Just can you please?
No, I'm not doing no more. Any other stuff that you want to do, you can do it by yourself. You can take selfie. I need to set my appointment. I'm gonna need you to book me an appointment with my therapist because to speak now.
Sam?
To speak now.
Okay.
No.
Sam,
No.
stop acting like a goddamn brat. You need to just take the picture or you pack your stuff and get the hell out of the house. You understand me?
Get out the house because I won't take your scandalous photos for you.
Me, I give you food to eat, so take a picture. I'm not messing around. I'm
Are
serious.
you sick?
Do you look like me look like me sick?
Do you have a fever?
I need to do this thing. So I don't have no fever. You need to do it.
What's going on? Did you take something?
No, I didn't take nothing.
Okay.
I just feel.
Okay, I'm gonna take 2 more photos and I'm going upstairs. I'm being serious.
Why?
What do you mean? Why don't you? How would you feel if you were in my situation right now?
I'll do it for you. If you have a boyfriend and suppose you want to do some sexy
Okay,
drama
take some
thing.
photo for me.
But this is not about you, no. This is about me. Okay? This
I
is
want
about
you to
me.
see how it feels.
This is
I
about
want
me.
you to
I am
see how it
seeing how
feels.
it feels right now.
No, I want you to see how it feels.
Just take a picture and stop being a brat. You're just being a brat right now.
Grandma, I'm really upset. I'm really upset because you're forcing me to take these photos and I don't want to take them. You're looking at me like...
You ready for the next
Okay,
pose?
1 more photo and I'm done. And I'm going upstairs.
Okay. So this one I'm going to do. And this one will be very...
Okay, that's not bad. Right there. This one. No. You lost me with the tongue.
You want
Go
to take a
into my
picture?
room. and I'm not getting kicked out. If you want me out, you're gonna drag me out. You're looking at me like you're thinking about doing bad stuff to me.
Because I can't believe you're being like that. I can't believe I'm just asking you to do this for me and you can't do it.
Okay, but you're taking
Okay, one more, one last one. This one is at
one
that.
last one and then I'm done.
Okay, one last one and then you're done.
And you're not kicking me out.
No,
One last one and
yes,
you're done.
Yes.
I took a photo. I'm done.
Cyan! Cyan, can you come here, please? Cyan!
Leave me alone.
No. Come here with him.
I'm not coming.
Please.
I told you that was the last one. That was the last one. Grandma, don't drag me back in here.
Okay, Cyan, I was just trying to be a Gucci mama. A Gucci mama.
Stop. No, don't touch me. Please stop. I can't look at you the same anymore.
You can't look at your grandma.
No.
You don't think your grandma could be look at your grandma.
I can't look at you the
Listen,
same.
your grandma can swirls it,
Yeah,
turn it.
you look like a MILF and I'm scared, okay?
You look like a what?
A MILF and I'm scared.
A milk.
Stop. Do not come back.
Cyan, come here, sweetheart. All right.
I'm not coming back. I'm not coming back.
Okay, please come. Okay, come.
No,
come let me get-
I don't want to touch
Because
you.
I traumatize you, just come and begin.
Are you gonna give me
yes,
money?
yes,
Are you gonna
yes,
give how much?
yes, yes.
How much
you
money?
want? Tell me what you
I
want.
want 1,000.
Okay, I'll give you $1,000.
If I hug you, you give me 1,000?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm not giving you shit. It's a prank.
No. No. Get up. Get up for me.
I love you.
I'm trying to do my homework, and this is what you're doing.
Because your grandma loves you.
You better pay me, because I can't look at you the same after that.
Why? Wasn't that sexy?
You look like a top star, a star on one of those websites, and I'm scared. Just back up for me.